Today's comfort breakfast, steamed jackfruit cake. Let the rice soak for 5 to 6 hours. Add it into the mixer. Add some jaggery. Now, add the salt. Drop in the whole black peppercorns. Next, add the freshly grated coconut. Time for the jackfruit. Finish with touch of turmeric. Blend it until smooth. Transfer it into a container. Place the containers in a steamer and steam for 20 minutes. Steamed jackfruit cake is ready to enjoy. This recipe works perfectly in an appam maker too. Your mini steamed jackfruit cake are ready.